Good evening. Paying fines and court costs as well as performing public service.
That is the sentence for Attorney General Jason Ravnsborg's driving the night he hit and killed Joe Boever. Ravnsborg was not in court today. Instead, his attorney pleaded no contest to 2 misdemeanor charges. The state dropped the careless driving charge.
Joe Boever's family, who was in attendance today, is not happy with the plea deal or the sentencing. KELOLAND News spoke with 3 family members who say they did not receive any kind of closure, and Ravnsborg only got a slap on the wrist. While some people wore masks into the Stanley County Courthouse today, there was no hiding the emotions of Joe Boever's family during the plea deal that Ravnsborg didn't show up to.
We waited 349 days to face his killer, but Ravnsborg didn't have the courage to appear in court today.
They're also frustrated with how Ravnsborg handled himself throughout the entire proceedings. The Attorney General's lawyer told the judge Ravnsborg is an honorable man. Boever's family disagrees.
Had he acted with honor, he would have immediately pled guilty as soon as charges were now announced. Had he acted with honor, he would have offered his condolences to the family.
Boever's family was hoping to find some sort of closure today, but they say they did not and are saddened that Ravnsborg never accepted responsibility for his actions.
Ravnsborg, shame on you. Why couldn't you do the right thing and plead guilty early on so we could all move on? Why did you selfishly prolong this and deepen our wounds? And why couldn't you show remorse for taking the life of a man? All this time you've been carrying on like nothing happened, saying you did nothing wrong.
And I'm going to say this very bluntly. At every step of the process throughout this last year, Mr. Ravnsborg has proved to me and the rest of the state and the country what type of person he is.
The Boever family went on to say that they hope Ravnsborg resigns or the state legislature will impeach him.
Now, following the hearing, Ravnsborg released a statement saying in part that Boever's death weighs heavily on him and that he wonders why the accident happened and, quote, all the things that had to have happened to make our lives intersect. Governor Kristi Noem also released a statement saying she is disappointed in how the process was handled by the prosecutors and that she is outraged at the result of the plea hearing and sentencing. The governor goes on to say that if Ravnsborg does not resign, the legislature should consider articles of impeachment. You can read both statements from Governor Noem and Ravnsborg on KELOLAND.com.
Also on KELOLAND.com, you can listen to the entire court hearing. We've also included tweets from today's sentencing as well as a timeline of events on our website.